Hello, it's James Better here from the Ultimate Podcast Training and the Ultimate Podcast Group. Hope you're doing well. So I had two clients yesterday approach me with exactly the same inquiry, and I've never, ever had this before. But the question, the query is a very good thing because it means that they've got to a certain point within their podcasting journey. So both these clients approached me and said, hey, I've just gone over 100 episodes, which is very exciting, but I can't see all of the episodes now. When I look into the feed on iTunes and other platforms, it's only showing the last 100. I'm not seeing every single episode. And the reason for that is they were both using Libsyn, and there's a default setting within Libsyn which limits the amount of episodes that are shown on the platforms to 100. So if you want to show more than 100 shows, then you have to just change this little simple setting. So I'll just show you guys how it works because I had to do a bit of digging to find out about it myself. Let me share my screen with you. So here we are. So we're in the back end of one of my upcoming clients' Libsyn accounts. So if you just go here, you go to destinations, and then you go down on the left-hand side here in feed, you have to click this. This is like a little edit setting. Click that there and go into advanced options. Scrolly down. And there you can see episode / post limit. Enter the number of podcasts. What can I read today? Enter the number of episodes to limit, or enter no limit or 0 for unlimited. So obviously, as you can see there, the default setting within Libsyn is always set to 100. So if you just click in here, go no limit, scroll down, click save, and those are your configurations are all sorted for you. And it's all good to go. Hope that's useful. And again, I'm not sure what it's like on other platforms, but this is a default setting that has been set up by Libsyn. So if you're not seeing all of your episodes and you're using Libsyn, this is absolutely why. Hope that's useful, guys. See you soon.